Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big news which is coming here from Accenture. So Accenture has started the next round of hiring, and the next exam date is on 29th of September 2023, 30 September 2023, 4th and 5th of October, and this is for the batch of 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024. Now you'll ask me, sir, how do you know? So many of the student has already started receiving the email from Accenture, and I have put a survey here. So how many of them has given the Accenture screening test? So basically 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024 batch, right? And few of them has already received this kind of mail, right? So one by one everyone will be receiving, because everything happens in a batch. Now friends, before I proceed, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, so any kind of hirings, any kind of updates, right, you will be getting it. Okay, fine. Now friends, I will take you through this particular mail. So dear candidates, thank you for your interest in associate software engineer role at Accenture. We appreciate the time and effort you have invested in applying. Furthermore, we would like to understand your preferred assessment location and date. And one more thing friends, so now Accenture basically is going to have this physical assessment. That means you'll have to go to the center, and there you'll have to write the examination, right? So the upcoming stage of assessment will be conducted in physical mode, and to felicitate this process, we request that you check the survey link provided below to register your preference for the assessment date and timings. So basically you have to enter your full name as per the PAN card, okay, and then enter your registered email address, enter your registered mobile number, enter your USN number as mentioned during the registration, okay, and then please mention the date of birth, please mention your PAN number, and then examination date you have to select, okay. So if your preparation is not very good, then you can go and select 4th of October 2023 to 5th of October. Please select the preferred assessment location: Chennai, Coimbatore, Vellore, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Pune, Belgavi, Nagpur, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, Indore, okay. And we would like to understand your readiness for the upcoming assessment details, right, schedule. So this, like this mail you would have received, many of them has already received. Even I was able to see some of the comments. You can see here, right? So has anyone got physical assessment slot booking mail? So you can see I was looking for the comment. I just received this mail. When did you give your screening test? So I asked when was the screening exam and which batch. So I gave my screening exam on 4th of September. I am from 2023 batch. Okay, which role? So definitely this is for ASC role. Sir, can you please tell us why this happened with us? Because everyone is giving the exam virtually, but recently me and my friend got the mail for physical assessment. See, that might have happened because the questions are getting out. So that might be one of the reason. Okay, but anyway, so now you have to prepare and you have to give the examination. Okay, friends, we have launched a crash course. So if you're really serious about Accenture examination, because many of them has got onboarding also. So if you're really serious about Accenture examination, you want to crack, then complete Accenture, like reasoning, pseudo code, verbal ability, and also we have covered like the days wise question, like Accenture 1st of September, Accenture 5th September, Accenture 6th September, Accenture 7th September. So we have the PDF file also, where you will be able to see the question which was asked, and accordingly you will be able to prepare, right? And the price also has been kept very much nominal. It is just 500 rupees, and the price will increase soon. So you get this crash course to start your preparation, book your slot, and make sure that you will crack Accenture this time, okay? And we are there with you, so don't worry about that, right? Okay, so this was the complete detail. So the physical assessment will be there. And one more thing friends, which I wanted to tell you, so if you're interested in data analytics and software development right after college, then free online live webinar will happen for 2021 till 2023 candidates: BE, BTech, BSc, BCA, BBA, BCom. The link is in description, and the date and time is Saturday 9th of September 2023, 5 p.m. IST, right? So candidates from Hyderabad, Bangalore and Pune can apply for this, right? So this is the news which I wanted to give it to you. So this is a big announcement by Accenture. So now physical examination will happen. So do subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon, so that you won't miss any kind of update, any kind of preparation videos. Thank you, take care, and all the very